Alright, I'm back on. What is this? Mod your Casio? That looks like something I could do. Oh, right. Guess I better do my research first. Wash my tools and gel filters. Phillips screwdriver, I think I have that. A watch pin tool, I don't know. And tweezers. Well, I guess that's it. It's time to mod. Alright, so here's the Casio AE1200. So the first step of modding your Casio Royale is to remove the watch pin by using a watch pin tool. And with that, you can expose the case back, and it allows you to basically easily handle the watch itself and to remove the movement by unscrewing the case. Alright, so as you can see here, I've removed the sticker on the back just to make it look a little cleaner and to see the engravings. And as you can see, you can use a Phillips PH00 screwdriver in order to remove the screws in the back and basically allow you to remove the movement. Alright, so with that, you can now just easily slide off the case back, exposing the movement alongside the LCD screen. Now, using a pair of tweezers, remove the gasket, which is basically the water resistant part of the watch. And now with your watch pin tool, or you could also use your fingers, try clicking the buttons and it will pop out. And with that, as you can see, I'm pulling it out here, showing you the movement, and that's how it should look like. Remember how its orientation is so that you can put it back later properly. Alright, now we're getting to the actual part where we put the gel filter. So take your gel filter and just cut around it until it starts to fit the screen of the Casio Royale. So the analog clock, the alarm indicator, as well as the actual time and date. So with that, you can easily plop on the gel filter on there and put everything back together, such as the movement and the case. I actually forgot to record the part where I put the movement back on, but you should be able to do it quite easily. Just put the two buttons on the left or the right, depends on your preference. And after that, just put the screws back on and just screw it back on together. Now this part actually took me a while because I had very sloppy fingers, so bear with me, y'all. As you can see, I even dropped the screw there. Yikes. So here's how your Casio Royale should look. As you can see, it looks very clean, very bright. And after that, just put your watch pin back on and click it until the spring actually locks onto the little holes. Now once it clicks, you can finally wear it back on your wrist. And here I am trying to put it on, but because of my shitty camera skills, it looks blurry, so we have to retake it. and that did nothing. It's still blurry as fuck, so bear with me y'all. I'm gonna show you another clip. Alright, so that's the modded Casio Royale. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it interesting and informative. Goodbye.